Top 5 stocks to buy right now. Investing in the stock market is both an art and a science. While patience and discipline often determine long-term success, knowing when to buy high-quality companies can make all the difference. The right stock at the right time can turn a modest portfolio into a wealth-building machine. In 2025, investors are focused on companies that not only dominate their current markets but also have the innovation and financial strength to shape the future. With global economic uncertainty, the rise of artificial intelligence, and shifting consumer habits, certain stocks stand out more than others. Here are 5 of the best stocks to consider buying right now, each offering a mix of stability, growth potential, and long-term opportunity. 1. Apple. AAPL. Apple has long been considered a cornerstone of the stock market, and it remains one of the most reliable investments in any portfolio. Beyond its iconic products like the iPhone, Mac, and iPad, Apple has built a powerful ecosystem that keeps users tied to its services. Apple Music, iCloud, Apple TV Plus, and Apple Pay contribute billions in recurring revenue every year. What makes Apple particularly exciting in 2025 is its push into new frontiers. The company is doubling down on artificial intelligence and augmented reality, with reports of upcoming AR devices that could revolutionize personal computing much like the iPhone did in 2007. On top of that, Apple continues to reward investors through stock buybacks and dividends, making it a rare mix of growth and stability. For anyone seeking a blue-chip stock with future upside, Apple remains a top pick. 2. Microsoft, MSFT. Microsoft is another powerhouse that has reinvented itself for the modern era. Once seen primarily as a software company, Microsoft is now one of the leaders in artificial intelligence and cloud computing. Its partnership with OpenAI has placed it front and center in the AI race, with tools like Copilot being integrated into Microsoft 365 and Azure. Azure, in particular, is a growth engine that powers businesses around the globe. As enterprises shift to digital operations and AI-driven tools, Microsoft's dominance only strengthens. Beyond the cloud, Microsoft benefits from its gaming segment, Xbox, professional networking platform, LinkedIn, and productivity tools. The company has one of the most diversified revenue streams in the tech world. Financially, Microsoft is rock solid with massive cash reserves and consistent revenue growth. For investors who want both resilience and exposure to AI-driven growth, Microsoft is an easy recommendation. 3. NVIDIA, NVDA. If AI is the future, NVIDIA is the company supplying the tools to build that future. The company's graphics processing units, GPUs, are the backbone of artificial intelligence, powering everything from data centers to autonomous vehicles and advanced research. NVIDIA has become synonymous with the AI boom, and its growth has been nothing short of remarkable. While critics argue that NVIDIA's valuation is high, the company's dominance in semiconductors justifies investor optimism. The demand for high-performance chips shows no signs of slowing down, especially as AI applications spread across industries. NVIDIA is also expanding into software and services, further diversifying its revenue potential. For investors who want exposure to the AI gold rush, NVIDIA is perhaps the most direct way to participate. Despite short-term volatility, its long-term trajectory looks incredibly strong. 4. Tesla, TSLA. Tesla is one of the most polarizing stocks in the market, but its position as a global leader in electric vehicles is undeniable. Beyond cars, Tesla is a technology company at its core, with interests in robotics, artificial intelligence, and renewable energy. Its full self-driving, FSD, software is a potential game-changer in autonomous driving, while its solar energy and energy storage products expand its reach beyond vehicles. In 2025, Tesla continues to expand globally, building factories in key markets and strengthening its supply chain. While competition in the EV space is growing, Tesla's brand loyalty, first mover advantage, and relentless focus on innovation give it a strong edge. Governments worldwide are pushing for cleaner energy and transportation, and Tesla is well positioned to benefit from these policies. Yes, Tesla's stock can be volatile, but for investors who believe in the future of clean energy and automation, it's one of the most exciting opportunities available right now. 5. Amazon, AMZN. Amazon is often thought of as just an e-commerce giant, but its real growth driver lies in Amazon Web Services, AWS, the company's cloud division. Oz is one of the most profitable and dominant cloud computing platforms, and its role in powering global businesses cannot be overstated. That said, Amazon's e-commerce business is still thriving, with global expansion and improved logistics strengthening its dominance. The company is also heavily investing in artificial intelligence, using it to optimize supply chains, personalize customer experiences, and grow its digital advertising segment. With consumer spending bouncing back and businesses increasingly relying on cloud infrastructure, Amazon offers both growth potential and a relatively attractive valuation compared to its past highs. It's a stock that provides exposure to both e-commerce and cloud technology, making it a must-have for long-term investors. Final thoughts. The stock market always carries risks, but strong companies with proven track records and innovative futures tend to outperform in the long run. Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Tesla, and Amazon are not only leaders in their industries but also pioneers shaping tomorrow's economy. Each of them is positioned to benefit from trends like artificial intelligence, digital transformation, and renewable energy. That said, no stock is completely risk-free. Investors should always consider their risk tolerance, diversify their portfolios, and avoid chasing hype without doing research. These 5 stocks, however, represent some of the best opportunities for investors right now, offering a blend of resilience and growth. If you're looking to invest in 2025, starting with these companies could provide a solid foundation for building long-term wealth. That wraps up our list of the top 5 stocks to buy right now. Remember, investing always carries risks, so make sure to do your own research and consider your financial goals before making any decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Also, drop a comment below and let us know which stock you're most excited about in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.